So I had to trench from the main house underneath with pipe and wire all the way over there to get power. Now my house is fed with solar, so the entire property runs on solar.
You got the wheels for the unit.
Yes.
It makes it more mobile.
Right.
One of my questions is does it affect your taxes? So if this was a stationary unit, like even if I add a shed on my property, my tax rate goes up.
I wasn't overly concerned about my homestead or my main property. I do have to pay what they call a bed tax locally for Martin County. Make sure that you've obviously checked in with your local codes, governments, to find out if there's any sort of tax that they have. So if it becomes too difficult to become a entry, people aren't going to do it.
Right.
Right now it's pretty simple. It's my backyard. I'm not bothering anybody. Leave me alone. You know, I'm giving my 5% tax to the county. To me, that's enough. This is just a bit of income for me. I'm not trying to get rich. It's just something extra.
So I'm an Airbnb superhost. I have short-term rentals on Airbnb, VRBO. And one of the problems that I came up with was taxes. So if I did add a shed on my property, then my tax rate increased. But you had just discussed it. A lot of like Airbnb will actually charge the like the hospitality taxes for you on your behalf.
Yep.
And I don't think VRBO does all the time. So it varies depending on your state and who you're using as well.
Sure.
I guess one of my last few questions, it's been a few years now that you're really into it. Was it worth it for you?
Yeah, it has been a great little bit of income. If you can get by with the fact that, you know, you have guests in your backyard, at the end of the day, it's been a good bit of income. It's exceeded my expectations with regards to what we've done, and it's almost paid for itself in 2 years.
That was actually my next question. Has it paid for itself yet? How far away are you from them paying for itself? And then is it just profit after that?
Yeah, I mean, it was, for me, it was a refinance of a mortgage and a smaller loan to take out for some incidentals, doing all the infrastructure. So yes, I'm within 10% of being paid off.
Wow.
With regards to what I've spent.
And then I know like one of the life lessons and comes with wisdom, happy wife, happy life.
I live that.
Wife?
I live that. I have the 90% rule. My wife gets 90% of what she wants all the time. I hold on to the 10%. But yeah, I love her dearly, and you know, it is. I love that motto. It works well.
Okay.
She's actually, you know, she has some moments where she's frustrated by it, and you know, like I said, guest hospitality can be challenging. I'm sure anybody's in it can tell you that. But for the most part, many people just keep to themselves and do their thing. They check in, they check out, and that's it.
Would you buy them again?
Yeah, it's been worth it. There's no doubt. And this is definitely an investment. I mean, if I just stopped doing this today, I could sell these no problem. I'm sure Blake could sell them. I could put them online somewhere to sell them. They are worth every penny they were when I bought them.
That's something I didn't even think of.
Yeah.
So there's a resale value to it as well. So
Absolutely.
you buy them, you invest your time and your money into it. When you're done with it,
right?
Someone else is going to want to take on the adventure
Absolutely.
as well.
I know Blake and his team are doing all wonderful things throughout the country with regards to affordable housing. This could be, you know, he could purchase them back and donate them. I don't really know, but there's definitely a value to what we've done here.
So Containing Luxury has created a few of these units. They have a few left over in surplus. So if you want to go to ContainingLuxury.com, you can actually see what units are left over. If this is something you're interested in, Containing Luxury's online shop is up and running, so you can go to ContainingLuxury.com to search for these units for yourself, pick and choose how you want them made. There are a few already created, so if you're looking to jump right into this yourself quickly, go to ContainingLuxury.com and see them for yourself.